Welcome back, learners. Welcome to Code Rangers. In our last lecture, we have seen how to install the JDK, okay, which we call it as Java Development Kit. So today, what we'll do, we will work with that. Okay, we will write a small set of program where it will show us some print message. Okay, we will write a small code today, and we will see this architecture. Okay, first we will create a file, and whose extension it will be going to be .java, and we will this .java file we will give it to Java compiler, and Java compiler will give us a .class file. This .class file again we will hand it over to Java runtime environment, and later what will happen we'll see. Okay, for that purpose what we'll do, we will write a code today. In Java, whatever do, we will begin with a keyword called class. Okay, and what is this class, why we are writing it, we will discuss about it in detail in our oops lecture. Okay, let me create an example file, and for doing so we should have a main method which is mandatory in Java. And what is this main method and all, we will discuss about it in later. Till now, currently you just execute the same code which I am writing here, and for getting a printout, this is the syntax which I have to use according to the Java community rule. And what I want to print is welcome to Code Rangers. This is my small setup program, and this program which I have written using Java, it is in English. Okay, now this language has to be, this English has to be converted to machine language. Okay, before converting it to machine language, according to our Java mechanism which we have discussed earlier, we have to first store it in the .java format. We have to save it in the .java format. For that purpose, what I am doing, I will click on save as, and my file name is print.java. This is the extension I want to store it in my system. And again, save as type, I have to click all types. File name exprint.java, and save as type all files. Now I will save it, and I am saving it in D drive. Let me check it in D drive whether it is saved or not. Okay, you can see in the last it was saved. And type, what is the type it was showing? Java source file. That means extension is correct according to our knowledge. Now what we have to do, we have to give this .java file to Java compiler. To call upon the Java compiler, where we are going to execute it is, our file it is in D drive. So let us open the command from here. Okay, to call the Java compiler and hand over our file. So this is the command which Java people have given, Java C. That means Java compiler, hey Java compiler, please compile this file. Which file? Print, which is in the format of Java. .java. Please compile this file. While you click enter, Java compiler, what it will do? It will compile the file. It will read the whole code. Okay. If it finds an error, it will throw an error. Otherwise, if there is no error in our code, it will simply get into the next line. Okay. That is why we are not seeing any output here. If you have any doubt in that, I can show you like this also. I am just removing this T here, and I am saving it. And again, I will hand it over to our Java compiler. Now you can see error. Compiler, it was saying that there is an error in your code. Okay. What it is here, it was showing. See, the place of dot it was showing. Here is an error which needs to be corrected. Okay. Print. Now again, I will save it. T. This is the correct syntax. Again, we will compile it. Now this time it will throw an error or not. Let us see. No, it haven't thrown an error. That means our file has been successfully compiled. And as we learned, after successful compilation, it has to give us a .class file. This .class file, if it has given or not, it has given the .class file. You can see here, this file we haven't created. We have created a .java file and hand it over to our Java compiler. And after compiling successfully, our Java compiler has given us this .class. fine. And according to our hierarchy, now we have to hand this dot class file to our JRE. Okay. Now this JRE, which consists of JVM, this JVM will execute that code. And let me show you the bytecode also. This bytecode, this is the particular bytecode. You can see here. It was not opening. Just a second. It will open. See, this is the code which we call it as bytecode given by Java compiler. Now this bytecode will be interpreted or read by our JRE, and it will convert it into binary code. And how we are going to give to JRE? Very simple. Just we have to type Java and again file with its extension. Now see, bytecode has been converted to machine code by JRE, and machine has responded according to the instruction. What we have given, we have just asked the machine to print this word, which is hello, welcome to code rangers. Okay. So I request all of you to, if you are a beginner, try this code in your own system within a notepad and open the CMD. Okay. First save the file in the .java format and give it to Java compiler. Later, the dot class file which you are getting after compilation, give it to Java runtime environment and see the output. Okay. I hope this lecture gone very well. And in our next lecture, we will be learning how to install IDEs. Okay. Okay. So let us meet in the next lecture. And okay, please share this video if you like this video, and share it in your network also. Okay. Until then, we will meet in the next lecture. Happy learning.